Take take 3, y'all. 3. Okay. Whew. It's been a long time since I've done any of this out in my office. So today's going to be a little bit different. I've already made the product, so I want to show y'all what today's video is going to be about. But these are my outside peeps. I made these in 2012, and they are made out of the polystyrene, the white balled foam boards. And I have PVC pipe on here to hold them, metal that holds them in the ground so they won't fly up. Like I said, these are from 2012. So they have been out every year since 2012. I just had to repaint them because they were looking pretty bad. They've been chewed on and stuff from animals. But yeah, they just got a new paint coat. So for my house, where my husband built that shelf above the patio doors, I wanted to put these. And I wasn't thinking, because these are 24 and 25 inches tall, they won't fit there, so I'm going to have to find somewhere else to put these. But they're going to go in my house somewhere, y'all. Y'all going to see them in the house. Oh, I got glitter everywhere. So, also we have some candy corn. Just Easter candy corn. The outside candy corn is pink, purple, yellow, orange, all different colors. But like I said, I'm running out of time. And for the first year to add stuff, I usually add it months before, not weeks before. So, let's start over here. I made 4 of these peeps, all pointing in the same direction, the yellow peeps. They got 1 coat on back. Like I said, I ran out of time. And yes, the glitter gets everywhere, so I'll loosen all the glitter off of it before I get them in the house. I made 5 of the large peeps, like you see in my tree. These did not get their back coat. They'll get it after Easter. I'll grab them and paint them before I put them up for storage. So I got 5 of these to go up on the shelf. I've been out here for 2 weeks making these. It takes a lot of time to do 2 coats, painting the details to them, and then sprinkling them, and Mod Podging them and sprinkling them. So I got made 4 of these. These are the peeps that sit forward. So I got 4 of these. And I did not paint these in the back, so these will be painted when Easter's over. And I made 4 of the little ones. I might next year or during the year make some M&Ms and stuff to put up on my shelf, but these did get 1 coat. But these are my small peeps. I got 4 of these. So yeah, I got this ready. I'm ready to take them inside and start decorating. I need to find some Easter grass. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. And if you do, please think about subscribing. And I'll see y'all again on Timu Tuesday and Thursdays and Saturdays. Hey y'all, I'm outside. I might take my boggin off because I know I look silly, but it's warm. Glasses hurt your ears. Today I want to get on my phone. I made these in 2011. And they're my outside peeps. Sorry about the wind chimes. I have a bunch on my porch. So I'm going to try to talk louder if y'all can hear me. But these need some love. They've been outside for a while. And I put the PVC pipe right here. That's what holds them on to the rod. But yeah, I want to make more for inside. So with those, I just free-handed them. That's how I made them. For these, I just went ahead and traced them. So I'm going to make 4. Hey, Rain Rain. 4 of the small bunnies. Here's Rain Rain. You're being so bad. You're a tinker. And then here's my big sheet. And I'm going to make 4 of the others. I usually try to make an odd number, but I'm just going to go with the 4. But I wanted to show y'all how I make these. And like I said, I've been making them since 2011. So they were held outside. So yeah, so I'm going to show y'all how I do it. Now if I had a hot knife, which I can't find it, which I do have one, but I don't know what's out. And I'm outside, so the styrofoam is just going to blow around, so I don't need a mask. But I do have my glasses on because of my contacts. But if you have a hot knife or a hot wire, this would work so much faster. But I use a shredded regular house. I think this is even from Dollar Tree. Don't quote me, but I believe it's from Dollar Tree. It's got a edge on it. You can use a bigger one. I like the thin one because the thin one I could go into small crevices and stuff and do it. But see it right here. And this is 2-inch polystyrene. You see the small balls, and you just sanding sponge from the Dollar Tree, and you can use the light edge for just the regular. If you need to really gnaw down on it and you want to angle it, or you can angle the bunny, and also to take off your marker. And this helps. You don't have to do this. I do this because when you're painting, when you paint polystyrene with the balls in it, the white foam with the balls, it soaks in. And if you tried painting this, see how the texture of it is so much harder than this right here, which is already done. There's my first peep. So I'm gonna pause y'all for a minute and get the other 3 peeps like this done, and then I'll do that. Okay. I've got all 4 of these cut out. So when I'm done with the other types of chicks, I'm gonna go inside and paint them, and then sugar them up. So here's the other. It's on a 2x4 sheet. So I'm gonna finish these and I'll be back. Hey y'all. Alright, I'm inside now. Instead of making these blue, I'm gonna make them green because I do have some outside that's green. So I'm gonna make them green, and then these I'm gonna make the blue. So yeah, let me get started painting them. I'm just gonna paint on this because it comes up too easy. Sorry if my phone goes off, but I'm sitting on here chatting with Trixie at Trixie's Trials and Tribulation. I'm just chatting with, what is wrong with my brushes? Okay, I'm using this one. Full day. I always do the edges first. This is the ribbon that's in my kitchen. Going on in my portion on this freaking. So I got made 4 of these. These are the Peeps that sit forward. So I got 4 of these. And I made 4 of the little ones. And I hope y'all like this. And I'll see y'all again on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Bye y'all.